Welcome back, everyone. I'm N.R.T, and in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing video / installing video. So I reached out to connector experts and asked them for the connector for my 2017 Polaris Sportsman 450 fuel injector wiring harness. That's very hard to find. There's one place that says they have it, but I wasn't too sure, and I sent them a picture of what I need. And they say they have it, and they sent it to me so I can review the connector, test it out, see how it performs, and if it is this could be a really big business thing right here, because there's so many people that need this connector that you can't get, and you literally have to buy a whole new wiring harness. And I have actually bought a new wiring harness for this bike, and it was like $1,500 from Polaris, and it's too damn expensive. And these connectors are, I don't know about connector experts, but the one Polaris had on there is cheaply made, and sometimes if you don't take it off right away, it'll break. Now, I can't say anything about connector experts because I haven't used the product before, but we'll definitely be testing it out, and we're going to show you what it's all about. Okay. Okay. We got that. We got a connector. Look at that. It's pretty nice. We got a pen / back scratcher, it looks like. Got another pen. Another pen. And we got a little book with a pen. Then we got Google. And we got a mouse pad. That is how they can be reached at. Focus. Focus. Come on, stupid camera. Focus already. They can be reached at 866-300-0708 or at www.connectorexperts.com, and their email is order@connectorexperts.com. They got all types of connectors. Tons of wire connectors. Look at that. They even have the one that's the rear tail light plug for the Polarises. Look at that. Pretty cool, guys. Huge shout out to connector experts for sending all this stuff out. And look forward to working with them. I got plenty of machines that need connectors. So we're going to see how this one works, but that does look like the one I need right there. Let me go ahead and open it up. They even give you some heat shrink and maybe solder ends, I think. So what those are crimps. They're crimps, I think. But here's this connector right here, guys. There it is, right there. Right there. Now I'm going to see if I can get a discount code for you guys or not. But I will be putting this in the description. And if you order this connector because of me, write in your order notes N.R.T. It'll help me out and it helps them out. Tells them I'm bringing them business, and tells me I'm helping people get what they need. So, well, we're going to be definitely wiring this up. I don't know if we get it to fire up. It's been a real pain in the headache, but now that we got the correct connector, it's way more heavy duty, I'll tell you that. We're going to see if we get this bike to fire up after 4 years of sitting. We'll get the job done right, because if you ain't doing the job right at all, you ain't doing it. I'll catch you guys at the bike. Welcome back, Dave. Welcome back, everyone. So on today's video, we'll be doing a. So we're at my 2017 Polaris Sportsman 450. It was having some electrical issues. It's always had electrical issues. It's always really been a pain. But anyway, the fuel injector connector broke, and it's very hard to find because this one has the odd connector versus the next year 2018 that they changed the connector. So we'll go ahead and strip back some wire. Just like that. Go ahead and there it is. So our good friends, new channel sponsor, the connector experts, focus, have this connector, and they sent it out to me to test out and fix this issue. So here it is right here. This should be the correct connector. It's pretty easy. I just sent them a picture of what the connector looked like, and they immediately found it. Show you it right there. Focus right there. See that? 2-pin connector just like that. So basically, trying to think. It's been a while since I've worked on this. I'm trying to think. Trying to find. That goes like that. But I think good. I think red goes there like that. See? We'll just part like that. This injector's kind of loose. I don't necessarily like that. It's a new injector too. Maybe it's just supposed to be at that. I don't know. Okay. Got my solder wire connectors right here. I believe it's going to be some clear ones. No, it's gotta be next ones, or some red ones. This one's red. it. And that one again. Once again. That one's red. Just like that. There we get these done. Just like that. Now, gotta do the same to the blue. The blue right there is the blue. Just like that. So I got that connector all soldered up with those heat shrink solder connectors. And then if I do have an aftermarket exhaust, and there's an optimizer that wires into that, so if I put that back on here, I gotta splice in some more connectors. But the main connector itself's on there now. So once I put the fuel tank in it, I gotta get a new spark plug wire because mine broke. I think I might have an extra one. I'm not 100% sure. I got so much damn crap for these damn quads I forget. But gotta get one of them. Gotta get a good fuel pump. I think my factory one burnt up and my other aftermarket one's a hunk of crap. So I gotta get a good fuel pump, good fuel pressure, put some fuel in the tank, put some power to it, and it might just fire up. Might. Just might. But want to say huge thanks again to the connector experts for sending this connector out. It was a huge headache trying to find this, and I cannot believe they had this connector. So if you have a Polaris Sportsman with the same type of connector and you can't find it, go check out the connector experts, because they got even the connectors for the tail lights. They probably have every connector for this damn thing. Polaris did not make the connectors. They're all off a different brand. So, well, that's the hard part. I wish Polaris would put part numbers and stuff to each part and each brand, so it wouldn't be, because if you look up wire connector Polaris, you can't find it. You can find the newest model connector, but this model, it's really hard to find. So please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.